Hello everyone, today I am going to dictate a civil appeal. Start. Brief facts of the case of the plaintiff respondent are that he is recorded as a co-sharer in possession of land in dispute. Stop. The defendant is also a co-sharer in the suit land along with other co-accused sharer. Stop. The suit land is recorded as Chai land in the revenue record and the same has not been partitioned till date. Stop. Although the land in dispute is situated near the city area, but no permission has been taken for the change of user of the said land from agriculture to residential/commercial till date. Stop. Taking undue advantage of the fact that the suit land is still joint and is in joint possession of all the co-sharers, the defendant wrongly and illegally is threatening to alienate specific area out of the joint land having more value as the same is more suitable for commercial and residential purpose, and also threatening to raise construction on the said better portion so as to deprive the plaintiff and other co-sharers from similar use of the land in dispute without any partition for which the defendant has got no right whatsoever. Stop. When the plaintiff came to know about this fact, he along with the respectable approached the defendant and requested him not to alienate and transfer the suit land to any other person without getting it partitioned, but the defendant flatly refused to do so and rather threatened to alienate and transfer the suit land for which the defendant has got no right whatsoever. Stop. If succeeded, then the plaintiff shall suffer irreparable loss and injury, hence this suit. Stop. Para. On marriage, the defendants admitted to the extent that plaintiff is recorded as co-sharer in the land in dispute, but it is replied that he is major co-sharer in the suit property which is duly recorded in the revenue record itself, and said fact has been admitted by the plaintiff. Stop. It is further replied that no doubt in the revenue record the suit land is recorded as Chai land, but at the site the same is in the shape of a big plot which can be utilized for the residential commercial purpose. Stop. It is further replied that he intends to sell the property in dispute and the purchaser can get the change of user of the property if so required. Stop. He being co-sharer in the suit property has got every right to sell his share in the suit property and put transferee in possession of the specific area under his possession. Stop. It is denied that the property in possession of the defendant which is specifically wants to sell is more value than the other. Stop. It is replied that he does not want to get the suit property partition as it will take long time, but he has got every right to sell his share in the suit property. Stop. Rest of the averments as mentioned in the plaint has been denied, and as such the defendant prayed for dismissal of the suit. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the appellant defendant has contended that the learned trial court has wrongly decreed the suit of the plaintiff respondent, and therefore judgment and decree under appeal is against law and facts and is liable to be set aside because the trial court has committed grave error while passing the judgment under appeal. Para. On the other hand, contention raised by learned counsel for the respondent is that the judgment and decree passed by the trial court is in accordance with law and the suit for the plaintiff was rightly decreed by the learned trial court. Stop. Para. The perusal of the rival contention raised by both the parties shows that the plaintiff respondent have filed the suit for permanent injunction for restraining the defendant appellant from alienating, transferring or creating any charge over any specific area or raising any construction of any portion of the joint land. Para. So in view of my above discussion and reason, I am of the considered view that the judgment and decree under appeal passed by the learned trial court is not in accordance with law and evidence brought on record by the parties. Stop. So the findings given by the learned trial court on all the vital issues are reversed, hence the present appeal is hereby accepted with cost. The judgment and decree passed by the learned trial court is hereby set aside and suit of the plaintiff respondent is ordered to be dismissed with cause throughout. Stop. Decree sheet be prepared. Stop. Trial court record along with copy of this judgment be sent back and appeal file be consigned to the record room. Announced. Stop.